Honey, have you seen these under eye patches? Okay, the illuminate and diamond dust. 6 of these for $1.25. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Honey, have you seen this? Okay, so this is new. This is the Peach Blossom Room Spray. This smells really, really good. $1.25. But they don't only have that. They also have the Peach Blossom Ear Freshener Gel. And then honey, it's the collection for me. You get what I'm saying? It's really the collection. They also have the Crystal Bees Air Freshener, all for $1.25. Honey, they have a few new items. Check this out. So when I was walking, I happened to stumble upon this. So this is the Scrub and Bubbles Easy Clean Multi-Purpose Foam 5 times faster versus Lee and all-purpose cleaners. This is $5. Oh my goodness, they got enough up in here, right? Really, really cool. This is the first time I'm seeing this at Dollar Tree. So when it comes to the Crystal Beads, Dollar Tree also have this one as well, the Bright Bergamot. I think that's how you pronounce it. $1.25. Now I have not smelled that yet, honey. Okay. But they, Dollar Tree moving their feet to the beat. Now, they also brought back this fancy thing, the microwave cleaner. This is $1.25. This is like the dupe. They have like the bigger one on Amazon, but honey, for $1.25, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. And honey, get into the nails. Okay, this is Dollar Tree nails. Okay, well, I just put them on my nails. Okay, ooh, it's the glue for me, honey. And honey, on to the next. These plates are so cute. Watermelon plates. Absolutely love this. They also have these little neon. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love these. These must be new because I haven't seen these, okay? And they come in different colors. So they have the green, the neon green. They also have the orange, the red, and also the yellow. Absolutely love these. And with Dollar Tree also have these bright neon colored tumblers. You get 10 for $1.25. If you are having parties and the summertime cookouts, this is really, really a great deal. They also have these little bowls right here. Oh, these are so cute, honey. For some potato salad, I just keep thinking about potato salad. Maybe I should go on and make some. Okay, they also have these little bowls. Look at these little honey watermelon bowls. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at the little pineapple bowls. These are fancy. So if you have grandchildren or smaller children, Dollar Tree definitely has these little summer tumblers. Okay, I say summer because of the color. These are really cute. $1.25. You get 4 of these. They come in pink and they also have the blue. Honey, get into this endless summer. I know that's right. Honey, surfboard up. If you are looking for some more tumblers, Dollar Tree definitely is in the place to be. Now, my fave when it comes to these fancy tumblers, honey, it wouldn't be right if I didn't tell you guys about the color changing tumblers. Now, these are $1.25. They come in different colors. Absolutely love these, to say the least. Honey, it is definitely the gnomes for me. Look at the gnomes with the surfboards. Honey, try to tell me that's not fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have these other bowls down here. These are $1.25 as well. Love this. And then they also have these plates over here, which are really cute. I am a detailed girl. Those are nice. So let me tell you something. Dollar Tree is also selling all-purpose caulk. So if you want to put some, self-adhesive wall tile, okay, honey, Dollar Tree is, I don't know if I'm in a hardware store or what. All right, for these items, because, they're $1.25 compared to the other hardware supply stores. Honey, they got them B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, just plain out B. So another item that Dollar Tree has is this whole body deodorant spray on armpits, privates, feet, and more. This is compared to native coconut and vanilla whole body deodorant. This is $3. Okay, just FYI. If you are looking for a body wash that smells delightful, honey, look no further. This LA Looks Peel Good Orange Body Wash, it smells so good, and this is $1.25. Or if you want something that's really gonna pop and not gonna stop, check this. So Dollar Tree also have the PS Clean Beauty 3-in-1 Kids Body Wash, shampoo and conditioner. When I tell you, this smells so good, this one, and then a pineapple coconut they have, and then they also have the green apple. But my fave is the blue raspberry. This smells really good. $1.25. If your children are into comic books, okay, I know the kids, they mainly be playing the games, okay, the tablets, any electronic device, okay, but honey, Dollar Tree has the DC comic books. Got Batman, they have Harley Quinn, Power Girl, Penguin, Superman, Lex Luthor, honey, more Superman and Wonder Woman. Now these are $1.25. Get into it, honey, and do it. Another item that Dollar Tree has is these jumbo Father's Day cards. These are absolutely beautiful. These are $3, honey. They are fancy pantsy mancy. So if you are looking for smaller Father's Day cards or a little less pricey, okay, because I showed you guys the $3 cards, they have these. Oh, this one is cute. Happy Father's Day to a dad who taught me the importance of family love. Oh, that is so cute. He has the dad skills to fix just about anything and to make things right in our world. Oh, I like that. No ordinary day, dad. Hope is filled with all good stuff. Time to be spoiled a little. Time to relax and count your blessings. I absolutely love this one. Okay. And time to be reminded you're appreciated and loved for the wonderful blessings you are and the difference you make. Happy Father's Day. This is cute. So one of the things that I love about Dollar Tree is I always talk about the options that they give you, but honey, they cards are, honey, like no other. These expressions from Hallmark is really good. Do you guys watch Hallmark movies? I absolutely love Hallmark movies, okay? You make such an important difference. I like this. These are cute, but this is like sympathy and stuff like that. Ooh, child. Instructions for a happy graduation. So you're looking for graduation cards, honey, they definitely got them. This is a big achievement, blah blah blah, whole future ahead of you, blah blah blah, made us proud. Really cute. Grab a cold one, maybe some hot wings too. This is cute. I like this one. It's nice. So if you are looking for some floral designs, okay, Dollar Tree definitely in a place to be. These are really cute, and honey, they go really with the nails, really fancy. Absolutely love this. It's the star for me each and every time, honey. These flowers, they are going to brighten your day up, especially if you're in a bad mood, honey. You need colors, okay? Really gonna do the job. Okay, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was those illuminating under eye patches. Those was really cute. Absolutely love those. And then those neon bowls and cups, those was delightful to say the least, okay? And then that peach blossom spray, really good. That was $1.25, a steal deal. Like Holyfield, really good. So with that being said, honey, the ladies scared me. Okay, with that being said, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.